back to MTC Monster Garage with the Grave Digger. And you just saw me run it on different kinds of surfaces. So I'm gonna just recap a little bit for you and some of my thoughts about this Grave Digger that is you can pick up at Walmart for $59.99 was the price. And so what I thought about it was it ran pretty well for a toy grade RC. I think it's still a pretty high price to pay for this truck. It doesn't run as fast, so the speed is a little bit slower than the New Brights version of Grave Digger. So that kind of caught me off by surprise. I thought that it would be the same speed or even a little bit quicker, but that wasn't the case. But it did pretty well over the ramps that I have out there that I use, and also we put together the ramp that comes with the box. You build the ramp out of the box that Grave Digger came in, so we had that out there to show that off for you as well. And also on the gravel driveway, it did pretty well. At the end of the video, the red headlights were blinking, and so there's nothing in the instruction manual at all about what that meant. So after a while, you know, it was probably hard to see, but they were blinking. And what came about with that was that it was time to recharge Grave Digger. So I just found that out on my own. And also, one other feature that I like to mention was that the red headlights on Grave Digger do stay on whether you are in acceleration mode or if you're just in a standstill position like it is right now, not going, and they stay on, which is different from the New Brights version. New Brights version, the red headlights would only be on when you were in acceleration mode or in reverse mode. So I kind of like this version of Grave Digger with the red headlights, that they stay on all the time. If the truck is on for a period of time, it does shut off, probably like a sleep mode. But that's after a couple minutes. But one other thing that I wanted to let you hear was the sound that Grave Digger makes, the two different sounds going forward and also going in reverse acceleration. You'll hear a different sound than going in reverse. So it's pretty cool. So let me have you listen to that right now. So the two different sounds of acceleration and then going into reverse is a pretty cool feature on this Grave Digger. So thank you for tuning in to part 2 of the run video. And if you haven't already, you can check out part 1, which was the unboxing of this truck. So thank you for tuning in.